Good morning, students. Today, students, we are going to do lesson number 4, multiplication and division, activity 2. So, firstly, we discuss properties of multiplication and then we start activity 2. So, let's start with the properties. First property of multiplication is when a number is multiplied by 1, the product is a number itself. Means if you multiply any number by 1, you will get same number. It is called multiplicative property of 1. Clear? And you have to underline all these properties in the book only. And above it, you have to write read word. Clear? It is given on page number 31. Now second property is when number is multiplied by 0, the product is 0. Means if you multiply any number by 0, what you get? 0 only. So this is called multiplicative property of 0. Understood? Now this is the second property which you have to underline in the book. Now third property, which is very important, the product of two number does not change with the change in order of a number. Clear? Order of the number means if you change the position of a number, the answer will come same. Means if you multiply 4 with 5 or you multiply 5 with 4, in both the case answer will be same only because numbers are same. Clear? So this is called commutative property of multiplication. Now fourth property is regrouping and changing the order of number does not change the product of the number. Means here there will be three numbers and you have to make the group of two numbers. When you make the group, the answer will come same. Firstly, see, I have made the group of 60 and 8, and what the answer come, I multiply by 100, answer is 48,000. Now second time I have made the group of 8 and 100, and after making 8 and 100 group, answer come 800, multiply with 60, answer again come 48,000. Now I am making a group of 60 and 100. When I multiply 60 with 100, answer comes 6,000. Multiply it with it, again answer coming 48,000. It means that regrouping and changing the order of a number, order means position of a number, does not change the answer. Answer means product will not change. This is called associative property. In commutative property we take two numbers, in associative property we take three numbers. Keep this thing in mind. Now last and very important property, this is called distributive property of multiplication over addition or subtraction. Bigger number can be divided into smaller number to multiply easily. Means what we do here, we will divide bigger number into a smaller number. Clear? To multiply it easily. This is called distributive property. Now see here 18 and 98. How I will distribute 98? 98 I will write it like this, 100 minus 2, because 98 become 100 minus 2. Or you can do one thing, you have to separate the number according to the expanded form also. But remember one thing, we all try to multiply the number with the 100, 300, like this number, means which is having 00 at the end. Clear? So here I firstly make 98 100 minus 2. Clear? And put in a bracket. After that I will multiply 18 with 100 first, and then I multiply 18 with 2. 18 hundreds are, I will put in one box. Then there will be a minus sign, keep in center. Then 18 twos are, 18 into 100 is 1800, minus 18 twos are 36, minus them, answer come 1764. Clear? Now second one example, see 125. Now how I expand it? I must have 100, means whatever number I am dividing, I must have the multiple of 100, 200, like this manner. So 100 plus 20 plus 5 I can write. Then multiply 24 with 100 first, then 20, then 5. 24 into 100 plus, because there is a plus sign, not a minus sign, plus 24 into 20 plus 24 into 5. Then multiply every number, and what the answer come, add them. Your answer will be 3000. Clear? This is called distributive property. Now student, on the behalf of these properties we do activity 2. So let's start with it. First is filling the blank using multiple multiplication facts. 2875, you multiply with which number you get 0? You have to multiply with 0 only. 4217, multiply by which number you get? 4217 means same number you will get, that is 1. 82728, multiply by 0, you get 0 only, because when you multiply any number with 0 you get 0 only. D part, 1 into 8288 means when you multiply any number with 1, answer will come that number only. So answer here will be 8288. Now E part, C, it is which one property? Commutative property. Here only the order is changed, means numbers are same, only the position of a number is different. Here first number is this, second number is this. Now first number is 311, now second number will be 7125. So answer will be 7125. Clear? Similarly F part, here are two numbers, so which number is not here in F part? 8175. So we will write 8175 here. Now in G part, there are three numbers in left hand side, so but obvious there should be a three numbers in right hand side also, because before is equal to you have to check first. 72, it's there, into, yes, 50, yes, into 8 is not here, so you put 8. Now after is equal to, see which number is not here? 50, so you put here 50. Clear? So this is the answer, and you have to do activity 2 question 1 in the book only. Clear? Now we do question number 2. Question number 2 is multiply. 178 you have to multiply by 40. But student, when we multiply any number which is having 0 at the end, we will multiply that number with the numbers only, not with 0. We put that 0 as it is in the box. Clear? Like here there is only 1 0 present, so I put that 0 as it is. Now I multiply with 4, 7178. Now multiply it. 4 8s are 32. Clear? Now 4 7s are 28. 28 plus 3, 31. Now 4 plus 3, 7. Answer is 7120. Now see B part. Here is 1 0, so put 1 0 first. Then multiply 7 with 9. 7 9s are 63. So here come 3. 6 will go on 6. 7 6 are 42. 42 plus 6, it will be 48. 4 will go on 3. 7 3s are 21. 21 or 4, 25. 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 2, 16. So answer is 6165,830. Now C part, 900. So how many 0 it is having? 2 zeros. Now 9 1s are 9. 9 6s are 54. Clear? 9 8s are 72. 72 plus 4, it will be how much? It answer will be 7 7. Clear? Now D part. D part answer I am writing here. You will write in the box only. There are 2 zeros. You put 2 0 as it is. 6 9s are 54. 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 5, it will be 17. 6 6 are 36 plus 1, 37. 6 2s are 12 plus 3, it will be 15. 6 and then 7. Answer is 7577,400. Now E part, put a, how many 0 5000 is having? 3. 1 2 3. 5 7s are 35. 5 2 9s are 45. Now answer of D part will be 75774, because I am multiplying 9297 with 5 only. Clear? Answer of E part 46485000. Now F part answer, 6359 into 3000. When you multiply it, Firstly, see in 3000 how many zeros are there? 3. So you put 3 zeros here. Then you multiply 6359 with 3. When you multiply it, answer will be 19077. Clear to you? Now we do question number 3. Question number 3 is find the product using distributive property. Distributive property, I already told you, you have to expand one number. Clear? The number which are greater than 100, in that you will do expanded form. But the number which are smaller than 100 means it will be greater than 90 but less than 100. Then what you have to do? You have to take minus the smallest number from 100. You will get it. So firstly we do A part, then you will understand it. 58 into 107. 107 I expand because 107 is bigger than 100. So what I do? Firstly I multiply 58 with 100 and then with 7. 58 into 100, put in a bracket, plus, because there is a plus sign. Then 58 into 7, put in another bracket. Now it is very easy. You have to see how many zeros are at the end. 2. So you put 2 0 directly. Then 58 you multiply with 7. 7 8s are 56. 7 5s are 35. 35 plus 5 40. Now add it. Answer is 6 0 2 6. Answer, what answer comes? 6206. Clear? Now we do B part. Here 96 is there, so I have to make 96. How I make? 96 is closer to 100, but how much it is less? 4 only. So I will do 100 minus 4 here. When the number are smaller than 100, we do minus. So now I multiply 83 with 100 and then with 4. So 83 into 100 minus 83 into 4. Clear? Answer will be 8300 minus 4 3s are 12. 4 8s are 32, 33. Clear? Now 10 minus 2, 8. 9 minus 3, 6. 12 minus 3, 9. And 7. Answer is 7968. Clear? Now C part. In C part, number is bigger than 100, so we will expand it by adding. So 172 I will write 100 plus 70 plus 2. Now we multiply 42 with 100 first. Put in a bracket, then plus sign. 42 into 70 plus 42 into 2. Clear? Now 42 into 100 is 4200 plus 0 as it is, multiply with 7 only. 7 2s are 14. 7 4s are 28, 29 plus 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Add them. Answer will be 4. 4 plus 8 is 12. Then again 12. Answer is 7224. Now we do D part. In D part, 18 into 3065. 3065, how you write? 3000 plus 60 plus 5. Now 18 into 3000 plus 18 into 60 plus 18 into 5. Clear? Now 3 zeros will come as it is. 3 8s are 24 and answer will come 54,000 plus 0. 6 8s are 48. 6 1s are 6 plus 4 is 10. Now 18 5s are 90. Add them. 0 will come as it is. 9 plus 8 is 17. 1. Then 4 plus 1 is 5 and 5. Answer is 55170. Clear? Now we do E part. In E part, firstly we do 67 into 99. How we make 99? 100 minus 1, because it is smaller than 100. So we write 67 into 100. Keep one thing in mind: when numbers are bigger than 100, you have to add. If it is smaller, you have to minus. Minus it 3. 9 minus 6 is 3. 6. 6. Answer is 6633. Now F part. It's a 73 into 998. Now 998 is closer to which number? 1000. So we will not see here 100. We will see this number is closer to 1000. So we will minus it from 2. So how we do? 73 into 1000 minus 73 into 2. Answer comes 73,000 minus 2 3s are 6, 14. So 10 minus 6 is 4. 9 minus 4 is 5. 9 minus 1 is 8 and 72. Answer is 72854. Clear? Now students, we will do activity 3, question 1. It's a very easy question. Everybody know how to do. Question 1 is multiply. In this you have to do simple multiplication, and you all know how to do multiply because you have done in the previous classes also. So I will do only 3 parts for you. Rest all the parts are homework for you. There will be a 9 parts which you have to do by yourself only. Clear? So firstly I do A part. Question is 5135. Multiply it 43. So student, firstly I multiply by 3. 3 5s are 15. 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10. 3 1s are 3 plus 1 4. 3 5s are 15. Clear? Now 4 5s are 20. 2 go on 3. 4 3s are 12. 2 14. 4 1s are 4 plus 1 5. 4 5s are 20. So answer will be what? 50801 as a carry 2 2. Clear? This is the answer. Now I do next part. Now I do G part for you. 2 4s are 8. Firstly we do with 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 7s are 14. 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3. 2 3s are 6. Now we do with 7. 7 4s are 28. 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 2 is 23. 7 7s are 49. 49 plus 2 is 51. 7 plus 5 is 12. 7 3s are 21. 22. Now we do with 3. 3 4s are 12. 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10. 3 7s are 21. 21 plus 1 is 22. 3 1s are 3 plus 2 5. 3 3s are 9. So now you have to add. All numbers are completed. 8. 6 plus 8 is 14. 1 up 10. 3 4 5. 6 or 2 plus 2 is 10. 5 6 7 8 11. So answer is 11805048. Now we do L part. L part is 9219. Multiply it 5838. We do with 8. 8 nines are 72. 8 plus 7 is 15. 8 twos are 16 plus 1 17. 8 nines are 72 plus 1 73. Now we do with 3. 3 nines are 27. 3 ones are 3 plus 2 57. 3 twos are 6. 3 nines are 27. Now we do with 8. Now already done, same numbers you copy down. 2 5 7 3 7. Now we do with 5. 5 nines are 45. 5 plus 4 9. 5 twos are 10. 9 fives are 45 plus 1 46. Add them. 2 2 1 15 10 14 20 7 7 7. It will be 21 21 22 23 23 plus 9. It will be 32. 3 plus 3 6 7 8. 6 7 13 and 5. So answer is 5382052. Clear? So I have done question number 1 of activity 3 parts. Rest of the parts, students, you have to do. Clear? Now I do question number 2. Mrs. Batra save rupees 48290 every month. How much money will she have after 2 years? Mean 1 month may she is having this much. You have to tell in 2 years. As you know that in 1 year there are 12 months. So in 2 years there will be 24 months. So see how we do. Mrs. Batra save every month. Every month in 1 month she is saving this much money. You have to tell how much money she save in 2 years. So you have to multiply with 24 because 1 year is having 12 months and 2 years having 24 months. So 4 8 290 multiply by 24. Firstly 0. 4 nines are 36. 4 twos are 8 11. 4 eights are 32 33. 4 fours are 16 plus 3 19. Now do with 2. 2 nines are 18. 2 twos are 4 plus 1 5. 2 eights are 16. 2 fours are 8 plus 9. Answer will be what? 0 6 9 8 15 11. So answer is 1158960. Clear? So students, we have done activity 2 and activity 3, question number 1 and 2. So I hope you understand how to do multiply and you will complete question number 1, whatever parts left in your maths notebook by your own. So thank you and have a nice day.